All right, here we go. Question number 11 from our 1316 homework number 7 in MyLab Math. The letters R and theta represent polar coordinates. Write the given equation using rectangular coordinates. So again, here's what they're asking us to do. This equation that we are given is in terms of R and theta. What we want to do is convert that to terms of X and Y. So we don't want R and theta, none of those. We want only X's and Y's. And here's the equations or the formulas that we're going to use to get there. So we know that X equals R cosine theta, Y equals R sine theta, and then the third formula that I didn't mention in the previous video because we didn't need it, the third formula is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. That's basically Pythagorean theorem. So let's put a box around those because those are very important. You definitely need to know those. And what that tells us here, it basically says, hey, if I see r cosine theta, all of that, I can replace it with an x. Or if I see r sine theta, all of that, I can replace it with a y. Or if I see an r squared, I can replace it with x squared plus y squared. So looking at our equation, I notice that I've got 2 cosine theta. What I'm missing is an r. I really would like there to be an r in front of that cosine theta so that it would look like this formula, r cosine theta. I also notice on the other side that that is r, and I would really like that to be r squared. So he's also missing an r. So what I can do that is mathematically correct, I can multiply both sides by r. So that's what we're going to do with this, okay? We're going to multiply by r, and we're going to multiply by r. R times r gives me r squared. And since multiplication is commutative, that means order doesn't matter. That means that I can put this r in between the 2 and the cosine theta. So that'll say 2r cosine theta. Okay, so now look what I've got. I've got an r squared, and I've got an r cosine theta. So we can substitute for r squared and make that x squared plus y squared. And we can substitute for r cosine theta and replace that with simply x. And then it says, if you look at the MyLab Math, it says complete the general form of the equation using rectangular coordinates. Notice it says 0 equals. So I'm going to need to set this equal to 0 to finish it. And that's going to look like x squared plus y squared. Moving the 2x over makes it minus 2x. And now it's equal to 0. And now I simply need to input that and see if I'm right. So x squared plus y squared minus 2x. Fingers crossed. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.